Hi everyone, how are you? Today my recipe Ragi Mudda and side dish. Take a kadai, add Urad, coriander, black pepper, Fenugreek, Cumin and Toor dal and cinnamon and red chilli. Dry roast all the ingredients. At the end, add one stem of curry leaves. It will give very flavor to our dish. After dry roast, transfer to a plate. All ingredients measurements are available on top of the video or description box. And take a kadai, add oil and cumin, onions and tomatoes. Add garlic and cook until soften. Transfer to mixes the dry ingredients and powder it first and keep aside. Now check the onion and tomato or softened or not. If softened, keep aside. Take a kadai, add oil and 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 cup of chopped onions. Fry them until transparent color. Then add 1 or 2 stems of curry leaves. I am using here bottle gourd, chow, and beans and carrot nicely chopped. Totally 1.5 cup of vegetables is there. Add all the veggies. Before cutting, please wash properly and fry them. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can check the measurements on description box also. Now cool down the onion and tomato, then transfer to mixer jar. Add 1/4 shell of fresh coconut. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Add a half cup of water. Then grind again until nice paste. Now check veggies. Veggies is softened or cooked well. Then add ground paste. Add half cup of water. Mix well. Now we add 4 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Add 1 tablespoon of Jaggery. If it is too thick, then add half cup of water. As per consistency, you can add the water, then cook 5 minutes on low flame. Now this curry is ready. Add finally fresh coriander. Then keep aside. Now doing the ragi mudde. Take 1 cup of ragi flour and add 2 tablespoons of ragi flour separately. Then add water, 1/4 cup of water. Then mix without lumps. Keep aside. Then add water and salt, ghee, ragi mix. Once mix, then add to water. No need to boil water. You can add now. Then stir continuously. The ragi flour will change the color. When it changes the color, you can add the rest of the ragi flour. Spread evenly, then leave it. Do not touch for 3 minutes on low flame. Now stir continuously. It will form without lumps. It will cook properly. It will take time 3 to 4 minutes. Once without lumps, you stir well. Then close and cook on low flame for 4 minutes. Now the ragi flour mudde is ready. Touch with bare hands. It will not sticky. That means it is ready. It's not a sticky consistency. It's cooked well. Now on heat only you have to prepare the mudde. It is very hot. That's why I am using vessel, greased vessel. Apply ghee or oil to a vessel. Then add ragi mudde. Whatever size you need, that much you can transfer the ragi batter. Then rotate it. It will form mudde. This is the easy way. We can't make this with bare hands. Now this is nicely formed ragi mudde without rice. You can make 3 mudde with this flour. One is enough for one person. First time only grease the vessel. No need every time grease it. Now serve with side dish curry. This is very awesome and a delicious taste. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now taste it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share to your friends or relatives this recipe. Thank you for watching.